Hey, Rich Niemiec here with Michelle Malcher. And we're here at the Oracle Innovation Laboratory in Chicago, our hometown.
Yes, we are.
And if we look at some of the things that we've seen here, all kinds of things Oracle's doing, but underneath it is that database.
Yes.
And the heart of AI is really the vector database, of which you are one of the best and well-known people at that vector database. And you spoke to the Chicago and Midwest Oracle user groups and talked about it. What are some of the things you think are very important?
Yes, so I talked about how easy it is to use natural language with retrieval augmented generation, RAG, which is provided by the vectors that are in the Oracle database.
Sure.
And with SelectAI being built into Autonomous, you can very easily set up a profile and a different information about the large language model you want to use, and then just start asking your database questions.
And it's really just one package that Oracle created to do all that. That's amazing. And so now somebody can say, hey, write me a SQL that does this.
Yes, so it goes, you don't have to Google insert statements anymore. You can basically ask your database to write it for you and show SQL.
And the person who's doing that needs to be somebody who understands it, that says, yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Yes, that is important to be
So their
able
job
to.
is still important.
Their job is definitely important because they actually know about the data and they can help the business owners actually use those natural language. So it's not just that you are saying that's how I'm going to do my job, but you can use that package and the built-in SelectAI capabilities with vector database and actually enable your business users to ask those questions.
And it makes your job more efficient.
It does.
All of a sudden you're doing more than you used to be able to do.
That's right. You're focusing on actually some of the fun stuff.
So we're no longer looking for a needle in the haystack. We're looking for a grain of sand in the universe with a vector database.
Oh yeah, most
And
definitely.
the vector database, if I own the Oracle database, it's free, isn't it?
It is free.
So I don't have to go buy a vector database and have people that are trained in that database.
Right.
I already have Oracle professionals. I want to use that vector database in Oracle.
Exactly. So that's already available with all the other data types that are there. So you can do it with graph, you can do it with JSON, you can do it on the relational data, and it's already there. And SelectAI is also free in the database to use on top of it.
And security built in.
Yes, it is. So if I've only have permissions on certain data, that's all I'm going to see.
So you look at Oracle, they're exploding just because of these incredible advantages. And where you've already invested in Oracle, now all of a sudden, vector's just there. JSON documents are just there.
Yeah.
Graphs are there.
So you're able to use the data that you need to, or that you don't know where that data is.
And with Golden Gate, I could even transport vectors from one place to another and then just use them.
Absolutely.
I don't have to re-vectorize them.
No, and I've even just talked about actually doing vectors on iceberg tables because Autonomous allows you to query iceberg tables. So your data can actually be sitting in S3 buckets, Azure, AWS, and you can Google, and you can actually use that data and vectorize it from there.
Oracle is becoming an amazing cloud. Thank you, Michelle. All this experience that you just shared it with all the users here. Thank you so much for doing that. Appreciate it.
It's a pleasure being here. Thank you.
All right.